Today I'll show you how you can create your own template to capture content in just a few clicks. Click on the plus symbol in your Kleio and then on Manage Templates. Now select an existing Kleio template that best suits your needs and duplicate it. Give it a name and click on Save. Select the fields that you can use and determine the order. If you're always the author of your records, you can also put it in your template. So every time you create a new record, this will show automatically. The same you can do in the field type. When you are happy with your field selection, click on Save. Your template is now created and you can use it to create records. You can adjust the template at any time via Manage Templates.